Hi students, today we will discuss about one experiment which is in the syllabus of class 11. The name of the experiment is to measure the diameter of a small spherical body by using vernier calipers. That means we have to measure these types of spherical bodies diameter by using these vernier calipers. This instrument name is the vernier calipers. So if you see that this instrument has we use these vernier calipers to measure the diameter, because by the vernier calipers we can measure that very much accurately. So if you see here, there are two types of scale. One scale is this one, and there is one small scale, 10 division scales. So this long scale is known as the main scale, and this scale is known as the vernier scale. So before we start the experiment, at first we have to calculate the relationship between the main scale and the vernier scale. The main scale and the vernier scale, it can be shifted. So here you can see this is the 0 division of the main scale, and then 10 division, then 1, again 10 division, 2, again 10 division, 3, such a way. And for the vernier scale, here only 10 divisions are there. So how we can calculate the relationship between main scale and the vernier scale? At first we adjust these two scales such a way that the 0 of the main scale, 0 of this main scale coincide with the 0 of the vernier scale. 0 of the main scale coincide with the 0 of the vernier scale. Now if you see that here 10 division of the vernier scale coincide with the 9 division of the main scale. If you see it, this is the 10 division of the vernier scale, and this meet with the 9 division of the main scale. So here we can write here, you can see here, the 10 division of vernier scale is equal to 9 division of main scale. That means 1 division of vernier scale is equal to 9 by 10 division of main scale. So vernier constant is equal to, here the vernier scale and main scale, that is the divisions lagged by 1. So that means 1 minus 9 by 10, that is 10 minus 9 by 10, that is 1 by 10, that is 0.1 mm. So this is the vernier constant. If you convert this, then you can convert it by the centimeter also. Now as we calculate the vernier constant, now we will proceed for the experiment. How we can get the experiment? We measured this diameter of this ball. So at first we just shift this and we'll place this here, and it becomes tight. So in this condition, at first we have to see here the 0 division of the main scale, vernier scale, coincide with which main scale? Coincide or just cross which main scale? So you can see here, that is 1, that is 1.5, 1.6, 1.7. तो देखो ये जो 0 of vernier scale just crossed 1.7 main scale. So the vernier 0 division will cross any of the main scale division or perfectly coincide with any of the main scale division. So that division of the main scale is known as the main scale reading. So according here, that is 1, 1.5, 1.6, 7. 1.7 is the main scale division. So here we can write the main scale division is equal to 1.7. And now in this situation, how can you take the vernier reading? Vernier reading means here, देखो, among these 10 division of the vernier scale, any one division of the vernier division, one division of the vernier scale will perfectly coincide with the main scale division. ये वर्नियर स्केल का में जो 10 डिवीज़न है, 10 डिवीज़न के अंदर कोई भी एक डिवीज़न परफेक्टली किसी ना किसी मेन स्केल से मैच हो जाएगा, डिवीज़न से मैच हो जाएगा. तो वर्नियर स्केल का जो डिवीज़न मैच कर जाएगा, दैट डिवीज़न वी विल टेक एज द वर्नियर स्केल रीडिंग. सो इफ यू सी हियर, that is, I am, according to me, my view, 8 is the vernier scale division which meets any of the main scale division. So here vernier scale division is equal to 8. Sorry, this one the reading, reading, previous one main scale reading. So vernier scale division is equal to 8. So vernier scale reading is equal to 8 into vernier constant. VC means vernier constant. So here vernier constant is 0.1 mm. That means 0.01 centimeter. So here 8 into 0.01, that means 0.08 centimeter, and main scale division is always in centimeter. Therefore total reading, what? That is main scale reading plus vernier scale reading, then that is equal to 1.7 plus 0.08, then you can write 1.78 centimeter. So this is the diameter of this spherical ball. So how in the experiment when you do, you have to draw one observation table. In the observation table, main scale reading, MSR means main scale reading, then vernier division, then vernier scale reading. Okay, so main scale reading here 1.7, vernier division 8. Okay, vernier scale reading means this one 0.008, and at last the total, that is what? 1.78. Such a way 3 times. This is the observation number 1. Again 2, 3, 4, 5. Minimum 3 to 5 times you have to take the reading, and every time you will get the same main scale reading for the particular object. This reading will vary, and you will get this also, and you will get this also, and at last average 1 here 5 total reading will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So add them 5 and divided by 5, then we get the average value, that is the result. That means the actual diameter of this spherical ball. Such a way you have to calculate the diameter of a spherical ball by using this vernier calipers. Okay.